நண்பர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் ரயில்வே எல்டிசி ஜேஇ பர்மனன்ட் வே ஃபார் இன்ஜினியரிங் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய முக்கியமான கொஷின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் அதான் பார்க்குறோம். அதில் 80 கொஷின்ஸ் ஆல்ரெடி பார்த்தாச்சு. இப்போ 81வது கொஷின் பார்க்கலாம். 81th கொஷின். And interlocked level crossing shall be kept in answer normally open to road traffic. 82 question. The manning and operation of the gates at a level crossing located within the outermost stop signals shall be under the control of dash. Answer operating department. B option operating department. 83rd question. Periodical census of traffic at all level crossings shall be taken once every dash years. Answer 3 years. அடுத்து 84th question. Training and certification of departmental welders and supervisors for aluminum thermic welding is being done by dash. Answer is both A and B option. TPP Northern Railway Lucknow, TWC Vijayawada. அடுத்தது 85th question. The length at each end of LWR or CWR which is subjected expansion or contraction on account of temperature variation is called as breathing length dash. Breathing length. அடுத்தது 86th question. When a train travels around a curve at a speed lower than the equilibrium speed. Answer contact occurs. A option. அடுத்து 87th question. The length of track required to resist the pull exerted on rails by the rail tensor during distressing is called as dash. Answer is anchor length. C option. Next question. 88th question. An introduction of transition curve laid out as a cubic parabola causes main circular arc to move inwards is called as dash. Answer is C option shift. 89th question. The joint of stock rail with the running rail at the approach of switch is called as dash. Answer S or J. Next 90th question. Full form of SEJ. Answer switch expansion joint. Next is 91st question. SSCPV in charge should do loca or brake van or rear window inspection once in dash years. Once in fortnight. 4 ஒரு பங்கு, அதாவது காலாண்டுக்கு ஒரு முறை. அடுத்தது 92nd question. SSCPV in charge should do P&C inspection on passenger and running lines in rotation by SSCPW in charge and JESSCPW sectional once in dash. Answer is 3 months. Ninety-third question. SSCPW should do inspection of bridges and approaches once in year. 94th question. SSCPW should do inspection of bridges and approaches before monsoon. Answer before monsoon once in year. 95th question. The gang muster and a gang chart or diary shall be in the possession of dash. Answer gang mate. 96th question. Full form of PQRS. Answer Placer Quick Relaying System. அடுத்தது 97th question. Full form of BCM. Full form of BCM. Answer Ballast Cleaning Machine. 98th question. Full form of DTS. Answer is Dynamic Track Stabilizer. 99th question. The maximum count that can be provided on broad gauge Group D and Group E routes is 140 mm. At the 100th question. The count excess should not be allowed to exceed for all types of rolling stock. Answer is 75 mm. 101th question. As per Official Language Act, communication from central government officers to region B shall be in. Answer Hindi. What is 102 question? What is the periodicity of the meeting of Town Official Language Implementation Committee? Answer 6 months. 103rd question. What is the official language of Union of India? Answer is Hindi. 104th question. Which article of the Constitution contain provision regarding the official language of Union of India? Answer is both A and B. 105th question. Which one is the foreign language included in the 8th schedule? Answer Nepali. 106th question. What are all the 3 regions as classified under official language rules? Answer all of the above. A region, B region, C region. 107th question. Which ministry takes important decision pertaining to official language? Answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Who is the chairman of Central Hindi Samiti? Hindi Committee. Answer Prime Minister. அடுத்தது 109 question. How many Hindi courses are prescribed for central government employees? 4 courses. 110th question. Karnataka is situated in region as per official language rules. Answer is C.